You alright there, fella? Well, don't know if you can hear it. It's pretty grim out there, isn't it, pup? Oh dear. Right. I've got a leak in this and I have no way of repairing it. What an absolute fool. Oh. No, there's nothing in the bag for the repair kit. Got no super glue on me. Right. Plan B. It's a long old trek home to go and get another tent. But, don't even know what time it is. About 1 o'clock. Right, I'm gonna have to go home and get back before it's dark, hopefully. Damn! Cool. Alright, we're all set. Yes, it's not stealthy. Doesn't need to be. However, what I will say about these is they're just easy. They're easy to use, easy to set up, and just simple. You can get 2 people in, or 1 and a dog, really nice and easily. Me and the lad have slept in there before as well. It's just easy. It won't withstand storms, it won't withstand a deluge of water, but it will withstand a nice, comfortable night or 2 away in reasonable conditions. And that's all you really need. That's all I need tonight, especially after the other tent failed. So I'm going to get the beds in before the rain does start coming properly. It's only drizzling at the moment, and get everything inside so it doesn't get soaking, and then we're going to find this dog. Okay, he's got a self-inflating mat. Give it a little boost. Right, that's his, and I've got a little cot to put together. I might need to put something down on this ground sheet before this goes down, I think. Oh no. Ah, okay, it folds out and then you put the 2 things in, do you? Told you, all coordinations disappeared over Christmas. More super glue needed. Hey, there we go. But at least it won't puncture this tonight. Fingers crossed. It's not ideal. I'll stick the other one in a little bit later when I actually get in there. So ideally I don't want to be in there just yet because it's still not even 3 o'clock. What have you found, buddy? Oh, it's a massive stick. I was a bit wary about what you'd found, but now that I know it's this, happy days. At least it's nothing too bad. He's a good lad. Oh dear. Good old English countryside. It's a bit of flooding. Christ. It's not ideal, is it? Struggling for firewood. For some reason, all the supermarkets sold out of everything. And around here, we're not in woodland, so really struggling for anything meaningful. So I got a little bit of things, a little bit to get us started, and I got some heat logs and stuff, but it's a shame can't get a proper fire going, but we'll get something sorted. This, however, I don't even know, it's not like I've seen it anywhere, I just had a thought to see if it worked. So, emptied the filter of the tumble dryer, and I figured that would work as a decent fire lighter. I was going to soak it in Vaseline. I haven't had a chance to do that, but it looks pretty flammable as it is, so we'll give that a go in a minute. Some gunshots knocking around as well. The problem with this time of the year is that it goes dark at 4 o'clock. It's 3:30 now, and I've got literally half an hour of daylight left before I'm plunged into darkness. So the fire is going to be important. However, the vast majority of the evening, I imagine, considering the weather now, is going to be spent on my bed in the tent. And that's why having the bigger tent that I did have would have been ideal. However, we are where we are. Next time, we'll get another bigger tent. I have to go and get a new one. Right. As you can see, I've got the trusty, beautiful fire pit with me. I'm going to get this, well, in fact, leave it till it goes a little bit darker, because I've seen a couple of people knocking around in the fields over there, walking dogs. So give it a little while, then we'll get the fire started and start prepping this food. It's gone chilly again, buddy, hasn't it? Absolutely. Right, I am excited about this. I've been wanting one of these for a long time. So this is the Overmont, yeah, Overmont Dutch oven. It's the big one. Ah, it's heavy. Brand new. So I haven't even had this out yet. There's the lid. Oh, that's nice. Look at that. Beautiful. So, lovely cast iron Dutch oven. Oh, it looks really nice, that. Lovely. Yeah, very nice. Like, take lid off, like so. Got it. It is massive. This is going to be awesome when when we go on family camps to make big stews and things like that. And yeah, wow. But it is heavy, but it's not ridiculous. You certainly wouldn't take it backpacking, put it that way. It's a good size. Look at that. Yes. So tonight I'm making a Chinese curry. Chinese chicken curry. So looking forward to that. Is there anything else in here that I need to know about or can't burn? Nope, that can all burn. Excellent stuff. Get that in there, and we're going to be cooking it on the fire pit. Hopefully it all goes to plan. Oh, it's just cardboard. Little beehivey looking thing. Yeah, that'll do. Happy boy. You're right, crazy dog. No, just chewing my wood. Sounded wrong. So that will sit there. Test it out. That will sit precariously on top, and then I'll say precariously, that's alright. Nothing wrong with that at all. Awesome! Awesome stuff. Life's good. Hey Winston, is life good on the outside? Oh, it is. It is, it is, it is. Right, let's get on prepping this food. It's a nice little chopping board. Happy days. As little prep as possible. Chopped an onion, so it's a very white dish with mushrooms and onions. So add a bit of a colour, dead easy. Some veggies, it really doesn't matter what goes in it because the Chinese curry flavour will predominantly take over. Some spinach, loads of spinach, that will reduce down. For the purposes of it being easy and camping, ready cooked chicken. You gotta wait from there. Hey, not yet. This is the stuff. Mayflower curry sauce, extra hot. That's what it comes in, and you just bung it in. Lovely. And that's as easy as it gets to prep it. And once it starts heating up, add a bit more water, and then it doesn't need to reduce down, because what I'll do is add the which I'll show you in a minute. I'll add the rice, and it soaks all the water up as it boils in the sauce, and it brings everything together beautifully. See how this works. Oh, it's certainly lit. It could probably have done with some well, it was most definitely could have done with some, I don't know, it's taking, yeah, it certainly have done with some petroleum jelly on it, but you know, beggars can't be choosers. Certainly going to smoke a bit anyway because it's unseasoned wood. Oh yes. Oh, lovely. Coming together nicely. Nicely. Whoa, look at that. Oh wow. You have to bring you over here. Oh, give that a sniff. You can't see it. Woohoo! Oh yeah. It's looking incredible and smelling amazing. Oh my word. Wow. Oh, it does smell good. It smells so good. Wow. Okie dokie. I'm gonna have to give this a little bit of a stir. Wow, what have I done with my spatula? Winston, have you got it? Oh, I can hear him. I can't see him. He's well and truly still living his best life. Whoa. Wasn't sure how well it was going to cook on here, to be fair, because it's there's quite a distance between the actual fire logs and the Dutch oven. But my word, has that worked? Oh, has that worked? It's a lovely evening. I've had a couple of drops of rain, but oh, you can see it every now and again. It's a little bit coming down, but it's not too bad. So what this should do, or what it does do, is I've run out of places to put stuff. As the rice boils inside, it soaks up the water. I'm not going to put a ridiculous amount in, but as it boils, it soaks up the water and and obviously the sauce, and it really brings it all together. Saves you boiling the rice separately. Oh. Hey, what are you doing? Thought you might come back when you could start smelling this. You alright, buddy? Winston? You alright? What have you been up to? Just living your best life, pal. It's all good. I've still yet to try and get you into bed. That'll be interesting. This little tent. It's really nice. It's not cold at all, is it, mate? No? You just sit there and look at me then. Oh dear. Right. Just the one beer tonight. 6 States New England White IPA from Aldi. Top drawer. Can't argue with Aldi. I've had this one before. I know it's nice. It's a safe bet. A little bit fruity, but I'm not a connoisseur. I just enjoy drinking it. Ah dear. Lovely. I'll turn that off. Don't need that on. Oh dear. Yes. This is what it's all about, mate. This is what it's all about. I've got nowhere to put this, so I'm just going to have to go there. So, the fruits of the cooking. Piping hot. I cannot wait to get tucked into this. Unfortunately, I haven't got any plates, so I'm going to have to get tucked into it. Where it is. Oh yes. Oh. It's amazing. It really is nice. The curry mix, ready-made curry mix, is brilliant. Can't fault it at all. And you can just pack it full of whatever you want. Make it really healthy, or not if you want. But for me, after the last couple of months, I think health is where we need to go going forwards. Oh dear. Alright, baby. Oh, what a wonderful, wonderful evening. There are even stars out. Some of the clouds have moved away, and we've actually got a sky full of stars. There's more cloud rolling in, but at the moment, got a nice view up there, haven't we? You see? See? Oh yes, oh yes. Lots of them, aren't there? Gorgeous boy. So we're going to finish off enjoying the fire, and then we're going to start thinking about turning in, aren't we? Yes, yes. It is quite late. or at least it feels quite late. We've been in the dark for hours, haven't we? So, you're right there, buddy. Tucked up in his sleeping bag. Couldn't be happier. Awesome. Right, that really is us going to sleep now. Catch you in the morning. If you are enjoying the video, please subscribe to the channel and come along for the ride. There's plenty more where this came from, isn't there, pup? No. Night. Well, don't know if you can hear it. It's pretty grim out there, isn't it, pup? Oh, hello. Sort some shelter. Don't blame me. You okay, buddy boy? Oh. It's a wet night, wasn't it? Got some serious leakage, but not the end of the world. Oh dear. In fact, my hair's soaking because it was touching the end here and it's just wet all over it. But it is what it is. Ah well. He's chucking it down still, so I'm going to sit here for a few minutes. But he needs the toilet and we need some breakfast. And hopefully get this down pretty quickly. It's going to be fun. You've been a good boy, haven't you? You've been a good boy. Yes, you have. Well, that's us done. After some playtime, some fun times, I'm nice and clean. But anyway, that'll do. All packed up. Hope you enjoyed the video. We'll see you next time.